Hello everyone. This section has two parts, parameter management and monitoring. Scenarios about you can modify parameters of GaussDB instance to bring out the best possible performance of the instance. You can also check the parameter values of an instance. On the GaussDB console, you can see real-time performance metrics for your instance and historical performance metrics on different components of a specified instance. First part is parameter management. On the instance page, we select GaussDB. Click the name of the target instance. Choose parameters. You can modify and query the parameters applied to the instance on this page. After modifying parameters, you can preview the change or cancel the modification. For example, I modify these parameters. I can click preview. I can say I modify these parameters and what is current value and what's new value. If I don't want to modify these parameters, I can click cancel and it will refresh all parameters to be default value. Okay, I also modify these parameters and I click save. Click OK. And wait the modifying parameters to be successful. Okay, the parameters is modified successful, and I can see what kind of parameters I modified in this page. Need to be noted, the modification of some parameters takes effect only after the instance is rebooted. You can view in the effective upon reboot column. So this means yes, it means that the parameters, if you modify the parameters, you need to reboot the instance. And the second part is monitoring. Choose monitoring and inceptions monitoring dashboard. On the monitoring dashboard page, select the specified instance, nodes, and components. Click View Matrix, select a time segment, and click to view the corresponding matrix data. That's all. Thanks for listening.